Take your delivery game to the next level with the mighty Ford Transit 250 at your command. In today's fast-paced world, an efficient delivery system isn't just a plus, it's a must. The Ford Transit 250 cargo van is designed to make your delivery business smoother than ever before. First, let's talk space management. With its roomy cargo area, you can easily organize packages by size and priority. Use shelving or bins to maximize every inch. Routes matter. Leverage navigation apps to map out the most efficient delivery paths, saving you both time and fuel on the road. Keep it tidy for efficiency. Regularly clean and maintain your cargo space. A clutter-free van not only looks professional, but helps you find items quickly. Fuel efficiency is key. The Transit 250's design lends to excellent miles per gallon, cutting costs as you deliver more. Your Transit isn't just a van, it's a reliable partner in growing your business. Get organized, drive smarter, and save money. Ready to transform your delivery business? Upgrade your operations now.